the Chernobyl nuclear power plant from the Belarus-Ukraine border, and about 100 kilometers north of Kyiv. The plant was cooled by an engineered pond, which is fed by the Pripyat River about 5 kilometers northwest from its juncture with the Dnieper. Reactor No. 4 was the site of the Chernobyl disaster in 1986. And the power plant is now within a large restricted area known as the Chernobyl Exclusion Zone. Both the zone and the former power plant are administered by the State Agency of Ukraine on Exclusion Zone Management. The 3 other reactors remained operational after the accident but were eventually shut down by 2000, although the plant remains in the process of decommissioning as of 2021. Nuclear waste cleanup is scheduled for completion in 2065. The Chernobyl nuclear power plant consisted of 4 RBMK-1000 reactors, each capable of producing 1000 megawatts of electric power, and the 4 together produced about 10% of Ukraine's electricity at the time of the disaster. Construction of the plant and the nearby city of Pripyat to house workers and their families began in 1970, with reactor No. 1 commissioned in 1977. It was the third Soviet RBMK nuclear power plant, after the Leningrad nuclear power plant and the Kursk nuclear power plant, and the first plant on Ukrainian soil. The completion of the first reactor in 1977 was followed by reactor No. 2 in 1978, No. 3 in 1981, and No. 4 in 1983. 2 more blocks, numbered 5 and 6, of more or less the same reactor design, were planned at a site roughly a kilometer from the contiguous buildings of the 4 older blocks. Reactor No. 5 was around 70% complete at the time of Block 4's explosion and was scheduled to come online approximately 6 months later, on November 7, 1986, in the aftermath of the disaster. The construction on No. 5 and No. 6 was suspended, and eventually cancelled in April 1989, just days before the 3rd anniversary of the 1986 explosion. 6 other reactors were planned on the other side of the river. All 12 reactors would be planned to be running in 2010. Reactors No. 3 and 4 were second-generation units, whereas No. 1 and 2 were first-generation units, like those in operation at the Kursk power plant. Second-generation RBMK designs were fitted with a more secure containment structure visible in photos of the facility. The power plant is connected to the 330 kV and 750 kV electrical grid. The block has 2 electrical generators connected to the 750 kV grid by a single generator transformer. The generators are connected to their common transformer by 2 switches in series. Between them, the unit transformers are connected to supply power to the power plant's own systems. Each generator can therefore be connected to the unit transformer to power the plant, or to the unit transformer and the generator transformer to also feed power to the grid. The 330 kV line was normally not used, and served as an external power supply, connected to a station's transformer, meaning to the power plant's electrical systems the plant was powered by its own generators, or at any event got power from the 750 kV national grid through the main grid backup feed-in transformer, or from the 330 kV level feed-in grid transformer 2, or from the other power plant blocks via 2 reserve bus bars. In case of total external power loss, the essential systems could be powered by diesel generators. Each unit's transformer is therefore connected to 2 6 kV main power line switchboards, A and B, powering principal essential systems, and connected to even another transformers at voltage 4 kV, which is backed up twice. The 7A, 7B, and 8B boards are also connected to the 3 essential power lines, each also having its own diesel generator. In case of a coolant circuit failure with simultaneous loss of external power, the essential power can be supplied by the spinning down turbo generators for about 45 to 50 seconds, during which time the diesel generators should start up. The generators were started automatically within 15 seconds at loss of off-site power. Electrical energy was generated by a pair of 500 MW hydrogen-cooled turbo generators. These are located in the 600 meters long machine hall, adjacent to the reactor building. The turbines, the venerable 5-cylinder K500-65 3000s, are supplied by the Kharkiv turbine plant. The electrical generators are the TBB 500. The turbine and the generator rotors are mounted on the same shaft. The combined weight of the rotors is almost 200 tons and their speed is 3000 revolutions per minute. The turbo generator is 39 meters long and its total weight is 1200 t. The coolant flow for each turbine is 82,880 t/h. The generator produces 20 kV 50 Hz AC power. The generator's stator is cooled by water while its rotor is cooled by hydrogen. The hydrogen for the generators is manufactured on site by electrolysis. The design and reliability of the turbines earned them the State Prize of Ukraine for 1979. The Kharkiv turbine plant LE